Good morning, Team Infinite, and thank you, LT, for giving me this opportunity to once again present my virtual 8 minutes feature presentation. So, as you all know, that we are into glass and mirror for interior and exterior decor. We are dealer of some well-known brand like Saint Gobain, Gold Plus, Asahi India, Modi Guard, and CC Cam. And besides this, we also import material like extra clear glass, extra clear mirror, tinted mirror, pattern glass, and glass installation hardware from various countries like China, Iran, Malaysia, and a few other countries. Today we are presenting our business in two categories. So it would be more helpful for all you guys to generate more referrals for us. The two categories are residential products and commercial products. So let's begin with our residential products first. Glass artistic nameplates. What is the first thing that a visitor or a guest sees at the entrance when they visit your house? At the entrance of the residence, be it your villa, bungalow, or a flat, you need a nameplate so the visitor can recognize your property. So, we have a wide range of designer nameplates in glass and we also have backlit nameplates. So, if your door or your entrance is in a darker area or a darker passage, then the name would be easily visible in our backlit nameplates. We have a wide variety to choose from in backlit range. Then comes our dining and center tabletops. Dining table is the area where the most fondest memories are created. With our dining tabletops, we help you to add elegance in your those memories. Not only elegance and beautifying your dining tabletops, but by toughening and laminating, we also add a lot of safety and strength to your dining and center tabletops. Then we provide back painted glasses for modular kitchen cabinets. We provide extra clear toughened back painted glasses in matte finish, glossy finish, pearl finish to all our modular kitchen makers. These glasses add a sparkling look to your kitchen and it is easy to clean and maintenance free. Similarly, we provide digital back painted glasses, fabric laminated glasses, and mosaic cut glasses for wardrobe shutters also. This is also a completely customized product and we make it as per the choice of your color, fabric in any size. We also have a range of tinted glasses for those who love their wardrobes to be transparent. Then comes our most highlighting product, wall mosaic. Wall mosaic has now become a latest trend in the renovation of houses. We have a range of color, design and combos that suits your interiors. Not only for the people who are planning on making a new interior for their homes, but even if you are staying in your existing home and if there is a leakage or seepage from your wall, then we would turn your that wall of embarrassment to the wall of pride with our wall mosaic panels. Then we do shower enclosures. Shower enclosures or shower partitions has now become a necessity in homes to separate your dry area and shower area. We have sliding door shower enclosures, openable door shower enclosures, or even if you want, we can put a fixed glass as a shower partition. Next, we have artistic mirrors. During lockdown, we created many soft copies of design and sketches of design, and immediately after the lockdown, we started working upon it. And last month, we have started manufacturing of artistic designer mirrors in three range. One is 3D range, the second is CNC cutting range, and the third is panel range at our own warehouse. Very soon, our catalog for the same also would be out in the market. Similarly, we have backlit mirrors also. We have backlit mirrors with different features such as Bluetooth speakers, defogger, and dual color changing LED lights. The last category in the residential range is wall murals and arts. Our craftsmen or karigars can create anything and everything that you desire in glass. We make glass temple, glass idol, glass murals as per your need to enhance or beautify your wall. So here we complete our residential product range and now starting the range of our commercial products. The first product in the commercial category is shop and office entrance partitions. Whenever you see a shop or any showroom or any offices, you must have noticed that there are entrance doors and partition made out of toughened glasses. We undertake that job with installation with guaranteed hardware fittings. We also provide customized films on glass as per the need of the client for their privacy. Next is reflective facade glass. We provide toughened reflective glasses for facades to the fabricators who give a glass wall or curtain glass look to the project. Also, these reflective glasses are energy efficient, so it helps to reduce your power consumption by keeping your internal environment cool naturally. Then we make laminated glasses. This is again a customized product and is used by architects and higher end fabricator like Sailesh Bhai for making glass canopy and even glass railing. The advantage of laminated glass is it does not scatter and fall down even if it is broken. So it prevents accidental injuries and it is also called safety glass by architects. Then we also make soundproof glasses for window experts like Jai Jain. He must be knowing that these soundproof windows would not be possible without soundproof glasses. To make these soundproof glasses, some technical aspects are necessary and we ensure that our workmen follow them to maintain quality and there shall be no after sale complaints. The most common product is glass shelving. Any showroom, office, or retail outlet is incomplete without glass shelves. So, here we end our commercial product range. Now, let's come up to the most common question, why us? Firstly, we have our own in house CEP and 45-degree chamfering automatic machine at our warehouse. We have our own tempo which benefits client to get their material delivered on time. Third, we assure best pricing compared to other dealers if compared fairly with our quality and service. And the last is we provide before and after sale services that is very much needed to the carpenters for ease of their work. So that's it. I hope that all this would help you to generate more and more referrals for us. Thank you members. I'm done with my presentation and open for any relevant questions.